Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we create very easy and simple dishes which can be easily done at home. Like this, oyster mushroom saute. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. Oyster mushroom. Don't have to write the ingredients right now. I will give you a list later. Just enjoy the cooking experience. Cut out the head of the mushrooms. See, such a lovely flower. I just love it. And then capsicum cut into 1-inch size. Onion close to the size of the capsicum, cut like this. Some garlic diced into small pieces. Ginger, which are grated. And some sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. Lemon. Take a fresh lemon and a grater the smallest size. We will be using the lemon zest only. Only the green part we will shred out like this, not the white part. Some dark soya sauce and honey. Sugar, a very small quantity, and salt. Maida or all-purpose flour. Let's start the process. Sprinkle some all-purpose flour or maida on the mushrooms and then mix them all well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. Add some oil on a pan, heat it, and then fry the oyster mushroom pieces. Cook them for some time. Add some salt. Discuss whatever you want to discuss with me in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. While frying, the mushrooms become soft, so they might stick to your pan. Don't worry, make a small pool of the oil, existing oil. Add the garlic and ginger in that pool of oil, and then allow it to fry and cook for some time. Then mix the whole thing together and add the onion pieces. Again, mix them properly. Just a light saute. Add the capsicum pieces. Remember, we are not going to deep fry or cook heavily the onion and the capsicum pieces. Just a light stir. Add some salt. Again, give a good stir. Now add the dark soya sauce. Remember, dark soya sauce has good quantity of salt in it. So as per your taste, you have to balance the salt that you have given. Mix everything well. Now add a hint of sugar that cuts the sharpness of dark soya sauce. Sugar is optional. Now we are almost done. So we are going to add the honey and the sesame seeds. And finally, the zest of lemon. Lemon zest comes out from only the thin layer of green on the upper layer. As discussed earlier, I am giving you a list of ingredients. You can take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to it later or share it with your loved ones. And our oyster mushroom saute is ready to go to the serving dish. So now you know, if you have oyster mushroom at home and friends drop in, what to make within 20 minutes. Try it at home. In the comment section, write about it. Bye.